How much Shiba Inu coin to become a millionaire? That's a huge question nowadays, and I will answer to you straight away. If I open my Binance app, you will see that the current price sits at 0.00060. And if I want to buy, for example, for $61, let me guess the amount, 1,011,000 Shiba Inu coins, which means that I'll be a Shiba Inu coin millionaire. But the right question actually is how many Shiba Inu coins we need to buy today if we want to become millionaires in USDT, right? This is the question. And the mathematics obviously is super simple to answer that question, but the more important question you need to answer yourself first is how far do you think the Shiba Inu coin will go to? Because it's one thing if it goes to 1 cent, it's totally different thing if it goes to 10 cents, and it's absolutely different thing if it reaches $1 American. And I know that many are quite skeptical that it will go to these levels. We were skeptical for the Doge coin, but actually it almost reached the $1. And many, like my friend who has bought Shiba Inu coins just in the beginning, investing $50, and if he has kept those $50 until now, his investment would have been $220,000, and I have shared that in a story that I will put in the corner if you want to have a look at it. It's a real story, but he has just swapped when he did 40x to Ethereum, and who can blame him, right? It's 40x of a profit, so for $50 he got Ethereum that was above $2,000 at that moment, and that was a smart decision. But if he has kept those $50 into Shiba Inu coins, he would afford many things in our country. Anyway, the question that I want to answer today is how far the price might go, and at the same time how many coins you need to buy if you want to become a Shiba Inu coin millionaire or USD millionaire. Because as I said, it takes just $61 at the current price, or even less now by the time I'm recording this video because the price drops. Actually, it lost over 30% of its value from the top, which is not a bad moment to buy it. I always like to buy on the retracements. Usually I prefer to wait for a bigger retracement, such as 50%, 60, 70 or even 80, but 30 is not bad, and for the purpose of that video I will buy some Shiba Inu coins, and we will see with the time if I will become a USDT millionaire from my Shiba Inu coin investment. So let's do some math now. If I invest at the current price $61, I will have an amount of 1 million Shiba Inu coins. And as you may guess, the price needs to reach to $1, so I will have 1 million American dollars as a value. Now I find the $1 quite unrealistic, honestly. Even I mentioned that the Doge coin nearly touched it, but this was the Doge coin, okay? It was the first puppy that got so popular in the crypto space. It was supported by Elon Musk, who at this time was influencing the market a lot. I don't think he is anymore, or at least as he used to. But after the Bitcoin crash, when the investors and the traders realized that he's really speculating and his tweets are not that valuable for the market, and the market always recovers, and the Bitcoin recovered again. So I honestly don't follow his Twitter anymore. Even I know that he still might affect those puppy coins, I like to call them this way. I personally don't find it serious for a person like Elon Musk, who I respect for all of his innovations that he did, but speculating this way on the market makes actually a lot of people to lose money, which I don't like, okay? But that's my personal opinion. Now, going back to the calculations, obviously, if I increase the amount to $610 instead of 61, I will have an amount of 10 million Shiba Inu coins. And here it comes more realistic. With 10 million Shiba Inu coins, if the price reaches not to $1 but to 10 cents, I will still have $1 million American dollars. Okay? And I think the 10 cents is more realistic. Still, I consider it to be super risky, and if you ask me, is this trading or gambling? Definitely I will choose gambling, because we never know if the price of Shiba Inu coin would reach to 10 cents, $1 or any of these values. We can assume that the price will continue higher because it increased already so much in value that most of us cannot imagine how much we would have earned if we have bought it from the beginning. But if you look at any website like CoinGecko, for example, you will see that every hour there are dozens of coins that are being launched. And my friend was just lucky picking the Shiba Inu coin at the beginning, investing $50, spending $70 at this time for gas fees, and he made a fortune, almost. So if you spend even $50 on all coins that are being launched daily, you will spend an enormous amount of money, and at the end of the day you will be losing, because 99.9% of all these coins turn out to be. So one more time, such an investment on Shiba Inu coin I would consider to be gambling. Okay, and I'm not a gambler, I've never spent $1 in the casino, but because I decided to record that video and explain the calculations, I thought that it would be actually worthy to give it a try. So now I will be buying Shiba Inu coins for $610 USDT, and this will be one more time an amount of 10,114,408 or something like that. Hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. So I will just log in. Okay, and once I'm logged in, one more time I will enter the amount of $610. And if I click to amount, you will see that this is above 10 million Shiba Inu coins. So one more time, if the price reaches to 10 cents, this will be 1 million American dollars. Now, I will just click on buy SHIB and I will switch to wallets, and you will see that here it is, okay? I already own 10 million Shiba Inu coins, but let me put down my phone and I will actually share with you what I think about that gambling investment, okay? First of all, there is a saying among the traders and investors where they say, invest and trade money that you are ready to lose. And I never liked that phrase, because if I'm trading or investing, I don't want to lose that money. If there is a possibility that I will lose them, I better not do anything at all. Now, when it comes to crypto trading and investing, obviously there is always a risk, but there are plenty of methods you can use to measure the risk, such as you can spend just 5 or 10% of your risk capital, or you can diversify the risk between 2-3 different strategies. You can build a portfolio of different coins, and all of that limits the risk. Again, there is always a risk, but this is when it comes to trading and investing. Now, this thing here, buying 10 million of Shiba Inu coins, is a pure gambling, because I personally don't know if the price will reach to 10 cents, $1 or anything like that. And I'm sure you have seen many YouTubers saying that the price will skyrocket even to $10 or $100, but the fact is they don't know that. They're just guessing, or they just want to have more views and likes on their videos just like me, but in this way they could be misleading the audience. And I want to make it very clear, don't take that as a financial advice. I have done that for educational and entertainment purposes, and I just wanted to show you how to calculate at any moment how much of Shiba Inu coin you need to buy if you want to become a millionaire in American dollars. So even I'm not going to announce that trade on my Patreon's page, which you can find in the description below. This is where usually I announce every time I buy or sell any coins, and at the same time you will get access to my crypto portfolio spreadsheet where you can track automatically your coins, and this is super useful. But that purchase of $610 for Shiba Inu coin is really not trading. One more time, it's gambling. Or in other words, I'm ready to risk those $610 for the chance that they will become $1 million one day when the price reaches to 10 cents, or if the price reaches to 10 cents. So it's really a human feeling and desire to become a millionaire, and actually it's much easier nowadays than the times we were trading only Forex and stocks, because there is no such volatility on Forex and stocks, let's be honest. But with the crypto, it is actually possible. You need to have the desire to do it, you need to spend some money or risk some money, and at the end of the day you need to hold until you reach your target. And the last reason I said this is gambling and not trading is because if you look at the chart of Shiba Inu coin, there are no support and resistances, there are no trend lines, there is no technical analysis. Don't try even doing that, okay? It's a pure hype, it's a pure speculation. People organize themselves in communities and Reddit, Twitter, on so many different social media, and this hype makes the people buy more and more and more. And I know many of you will say it's impossible for the price to reach to 10 cents or even more. Well, I can tell you that there is nothing really impossible in the crypto space. And I know many of you will say, okay, but if Shiba Inu coin reaches to 10 cents, the market cap will be bigger than, okay, but the market cap of Bitcoin, Ethereum and the others will not remain the same, and just the Shiba Inu coin to grow, right? Everything will grow, just like it's growing right now. The global market cap of the cryptocurrencies increases over time. There are obviously drops, but this is how the market works, okay? The whales are selling it, the beginners panic when the price drops, whales are buying again from the beginners who panic to lose all of their money, and the market goes up and down and up and down, but overall the crypto market goes on a profit. And personally, myself as a trader, not a gambler, one more time, I'm not gambling usually, I just did this purchase for the purpose of that video. I succeeded to make the most profits in the last years from crypto trading, okay? Much more than Forex and stocks. But this is personally me. One more time, this is a super risky trade that I took. Okay, not a trade, gambling. So don't take it as an advice. I just wanted to show you how much you need to spend at the current price if you want to become a millionaire when the price reaches to 10 cents. Obviously, if you aim just 1 cent, you would have need to spend $6,100. If you believe the price will reach to $1, then spending just $61 would be enough, because you will still have 1 million Shiba Inu coins. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, make sure to give it a huge thumb up. I'll be super happy if I see you subscribing to the channel so you won't miss any of my future videos. Don't forget that I love you and I do my best to share my trading and gambling experience. And really, I'm not a gambler. We'll see you soon.